Hello, remote family. I am Jeff from Remote Agent, and I hope you guys are doing good. So, I'm back with another work from home job for you, and today I have three no phone jobs which doesn't require any degree, any experience. So, this work can be done by anyone and by everyone. So, let's get into the job details. So, the first opening which I have is with this company, Retirement Solutions, and they are looking for data entry operator. So the salary range is $40,000 per year. So Retirement Solution Advisor is currently hiring for a data entry operator, and this is a full-time position, and employees can work remotely. So here are the job responsibilities. You will be gathering, collating, and preparing documents, materials, and information for data entry. You will be conducting research to obtain information for incomplete documents and materials. You will be creating digital documents from paper or dictation. You will be reviewing all documents and information for accuracy and informing the supervisor of any errors or inconsistencies. You will be capturing data into digital databases and perform regular backups. You will be updating and maintaining databases, archives, and filing systems. You will monitor and review databases and correct errors. You will be generating and exporting data reports, spreadsheets, and documents as needed. You will perform clerical duties such as filing, monitoring office supplies, scanning, and printing as needed. So, here are the job requirements for the data entry operator role: a high school diploma or GED, 1 year experience, excellent typing skills, excellent time management and multitasking abilities, proficiency in Microsoft Office and Google Suite, the ability to manage and process high volumes of data accurately, a good understanding of databases and digital and paper filing system, knowledge of administrative and clerical options, and excellent verbal and written communication skills. So if you're interested in this data entry job, which is 100% no phone, then please apply for the same. So let's move on to the second job details. So the second opening which I have is with this company, Nesco Resource, and they are also looking for data entry clerk, and it's 100% work from home, and they are paying $15 an hour. So let's get into the job requirements. Before that, the work hours, the shift timing will be from 7 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. So you will enter alphabetic, numeric, or symbolic data from source documents into the computer. You will import and export data between different software. You will input data into databases and spreadsheets. You will maintain libraries of electronic storage media. You will organize electronic storage media. You will receive and register documents. You will verify accuracy and completeness of data. And you will perform other related duties as assigned. So, the qualifications and the skills required are an experience in data entry, advanced computer skills, excellent reading and typing skills, and a profession in Excel. So if you're interested in the job role, you can apply to this link or you can call on the given number. So let's move on to the third job details. So the third opening which I have is with this company, Southgate Academy, and they are also looking for data entry. It's 100% fully remote job. So let's get into the job details. You will enroll and manage students in the Genius, Unity, Class Dojo, and G Classroom. You will contact new students and provide orientation. You will communicate meetings in the Google Classroom with parents and students. A basic tech support, parent communication. You will create, post, and email monthly newsletter. You will document all communications. You will collect and file parent signatures for weekly attendance. You will download and save copy of the attendance log from platforms. You will complete parent-student communication log. You will contact students on the watch list to see what support they need. You will be available during working hours via phone, email, or virtual meeting. So, here are the requirements for the job role. Must have an advanced computer skills, must be able to work from home, flexible availability to support students, must have great communication skills, and must pass a drug screening. So, if you're interested in this job role, and please apply for the same. I will go ahead and share the link for all this job below in the description. So they haven't mentioned the salary for the job role, but however, as I checked last door and I found that the salary for data entry is on an average is $33,000 per annum. So if you're interested in this, then please go ahead and apply for the same. I will share the link below in the description. So I hope so you enjoyed today's video, and if you're looking for a work from home job, whether it's a no phone or a phone job, then please subscribe to our channel because we really upload such kind of work from home job videos on our channel. So thank you so much for watching and you have a wonderful day.